Welcome back to new video. Today we learn how to create account for Cisco. So you need to open a browser, then search VUE/Cisco. Then go to this first website. Then continue to log in. It maybe take some time. Wait, yeah. Here if you already have account, you can directly log in from here. But we don't have, so we need to create a new account. Click on this sign up button. Need to enter some basic details like email ID. Enter your email ID here, then your password. Enter your password, create your password. It must be contain 12 words minimum. First name as per your government ID, then last name again as per your government ID. Then select your country from here. Then select your country from here. India. Right now I'm in India, that's why I'm selecting India. Then register. Enter code which will be received on your email ID. Go to your email ID. Open your email. Copy your OTP from here. Then paste. Verify. It maybe take some load. Wait for a while. Yes. Required information. Mail access. Select your country again. Again India. India. Yes. Then enter your address here. Then enter your city here. Then your state, Maharashtra. Enter your postal code here. Then phone number. Update address. You need to answer some question. Would you like to receive email? If you want, then click on yes. If you don't want, click on no. Verification of certification. Read this carefully. Please refer certification. Yes. Cisco employee. Are you Cisco employee? If you are, then select yes. If you, I am not, that's why I am selecting no. Cisco Network Academy. Yes. Partner or reseller. Yes. Jacket size. Maybe they will provide you a jacket. That's why they asking you size. Select your size. Then update. Information has been saved. Here the account is created. I'll show you again. First log out. Then go to this website which go to this website, login page, enter your email address here, then next enter your password here, then select on verify. See, the login page will be open. Thank you for watching this video.